Every day in the UK and USA, millions of people drink soda, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 7-Up. The bottle is empty, and most people think its journey is over. But the truth is, this is where the journey actually begins. After use, empty glass bottles are collected from shops, restaurants, vending machines, and recycling bins. Large trucks transport thousands of these bottles to industrial recycling and refill facilities. Inside the facility, the bottles move onto long conveyor belts. Machines and workers inspect every single bottle. Cracked, broken, or damaged bottles are immediately removed. Only strong, reusable glass continues forward. Next comes the washing stage. Bottles enter massive industrial washers filled with hot water, steam, and cleaning solutions. High-pressure jets remove old labels, glue, dust, and any remaining liquid. The bottles are rotated, scrubbed, and sterilized until they are completely clean. After washing, the bottles are inspected again. Bright lights and sensors check for micro cracks and contamination. Bottles that pass are now as clean as new. At this point, the process splits into two paths. Some bottles are prepared for direct reuse. They are sent to filling lines where fresh soda is added, new caps are sealed, and labels are applied. These bottles will soon return to store shelves. Other bottles are recycled completely. They are crushed into small glass pieces, melted at extremely high temperatures, and reshaped into brand new bottles using precision molds. Within hours, what was once an empty bottle becomes part of a new product. Finally, the finished bottles are packed, loaded onto trucks, and delivered back to the market. A single glass bottle doesn't live once. It lives many lives. And every time it's reused, waste is reduced, energy is saved, and the environment is protected.